Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hi guys, it's me, Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you been to the website in a while? Go to the website. Go check it out. Google hates me now, so I need help. Today I want to try a new project because Miss Donna from Distressed Donna was talking about like little pots and how she stamps the pots. So I have these. I'm not sure these are what she was talking about. Probably she was talking about terracotta pots, but I think these are just so cute when they're by themselves. So these are seed planters. And nobody bought them last year. So there was 12 in a bundle, and I had $3 on the 12, and nobody wanted them or needed them. So I am going to try Donna's technique for printing on them, which is not really printing on them. It's printing on tissue paper and then decoupaging it onto the pot. Now, I don't have tissue paper. It called for white tissue paper. I don't have any white tissue paper. I do have this, which is a, more natural craft, color tissue paper. It's a tissue paper. It's extremely thin. So I thought if I tried it on this and it didn't work, then I could go out and explore my options for finding white tissue paper somewhere. I'm having a difficult time finding tissue paper anywhere in my area. All I hear is supply chain issues, supply chain issues. So I could find pink and I could find blue. Not quite the colors I was looking for. So I want to try it on this. I think this would be pretty anyway to do kind of a natural. See what I mean? They kind of match, so it would look like it was printed on there. So we're going to try it. And I've got a new stamp I want to try. Hang on. I didn't get all my materials together and onto the table, onto the work surface. So let me get all that together, and then I'll show you guys everything. Okay, I think I have everything. Now, I do not have ink. Donna had ink. I'm going to use paint. I'm going to use this paint. It's called Wild Blue Yonder. It's just a really bright, pretty blue little pop of color. I don't know. And then part of me goes, do black. But then if I do this, I have more. I'm going to do more. I'm going to do black. But I do black on everything. I don't know. So part of me thinks I should do black. And the other part's like, just do a color. So these are, if you've been watching the channel, I talked about finding some stamps from the early 90s in my basement. My husband had moved some stuff around for some workers that came in. Here they are. They're Asian stamps. You can see they haven't even been put together yet. I think just one was. And the coin. So the little lucky coin was put together. Something, I don't even know what that says. But there was on here, as you can see, in here, there's like this cute little bonsai tree. I think that would look adorable on one of these. So I'm going to find the bonsai tree here. So I have that. I have the angel that I picked up at a thrift store just recently. This was like 50 cents. And then of course, because I'm having love affairs with the birds, I've got the little chickadee thing that I did the wall pockets with in the black. And that's why in my mind, I'm thinking I want to do it in black. Darn it. Where's the black? Okay, I found the black. Let's just do black. Okay, so we have the black. Let me get you guys turned around. Oh, and then I also got a sponge brush to help me dab off some of the excess, because I know from using the stamp last time with the paint, there gets to be a little excess on it. And then I've got my decoupage glue, my pots. All right, so I am gonna dip it. I've got my black paint here on just a plate. Wanted to make sure I get all of them covered. I've been told even pressure was my problem last time. he looks cute. Yep, that one was a little less cute. Let's try the angel. That's not cute. Donna's right now probably like shrieking at the screen. Use ink! I don't have any ink. So I'm sorry. I know I'm doing it wrong. I'm totally doing it wrong. I'm going to put it up here. The ugly little baby. That is an ugly stamp. Well, I thought that was going to be cuter. The bird's cute. Let's try the tree. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, this chickadee is dry. I am going to place him here, but let's trim this up a bit. So that is that. So now I've torn my little birdie and I'm going to decoupage him directly under the pot like that. And we'll see how he turns out. Typical. Okay, so there, I decoupaged him down. And I mean, I could do some more embellishing on this, should I choose to. All right, I'm gonna let him sit and dry. And you know what? We can decorate pots with other things. So I've got like lace. I could put a pot with some lace on it. So this went from being a Distressed Donna copycat to I just went rogue, Donna. I'm sorry, I can't stamp. But I just now I'm like, but I can still decorate a pot. I'm gonna do it my way. Okay, I'm gonna lay that down. All right, so we're gonna let the little lacy one dry now. Woohoo! What's next? All right, let's find some trouble. Okay, I used the decoupage birds that Melanie and Katie sent me. So of course I'm having a love affair with these birds, so why not just use them on this as well? That looks cute. And I did this one. It's still drying. So I had these napkins that are like the transferware blue. So I did a little napkin decoupage with this blue. It's too busy for anything large. So I thought, oh, I could use it on the pot though. And that kind of worked. Let's see if I can find more napkins. Found a botanical. I don't remember what I used this on before, but it was a botanical one. It's got some butterflies on it and then some, I don't know, purple flowers, yellow flowers. I am not going to do a full round decoupage on it though. I'm going to tear some pieces off and do a scattered decoupage. So I'm going to separate that top sheet of napkin. If you've never napkin decoupaged, napkins have layers. This is the hardest part. Just getting them apart. There it is. I got an edge. I got an edge. And then you just pull it apart. So you just want this thin printed part. And it has these wonderful little butterflies and birds on it. Like, I don't know if this is going to blend in too much with the pot. I wonder if I should paint this. Yeah, right. I got some white paint. I'm going to give this a little coat of white. Okay, they're dry. So let's get our little flowers together here. I'm going to paint. It's not a very big brush. Then I always push it in with the brush that I use for the decoupage glue just because it keeps the glue from getting on my fingers, and at the same time I'm clear coating the top. But look, this one sort of blends in better than the one with the brown. I mean, this doesn't look horrible, but this is definitely cuter to me. So paint them first would be better. Unless you're doing the craft paper like I have on this one. I like him on there. So I like my little craft paper. He's all done. But for these tissue paper ones or the napkin ones, definitely paint it first. This is fun. Let's do more. These are dry too. Let's get that other bird paper that Katie and Melon sent me. I am obsessed with these birds for some reason. For the longest time, couldn't think of anything to do with them, and then now I've become obsessed with them. Like, I want to put them on everything. Oh, he'll be cute. Come on, so cute. Okay. This is kind of fun. Just a way to make it just a little bit different. Look how cute he is. It looks perfect on there now. Very sweet little bird. So that's it. I mean, you can really customize your little potting things. I mean, so cute. Look at it. And this one has the bird before it was painted. So it's okay. It's not as cute as the one on the white. I'm going to say that right up front. And then let's see. The blue layer, again, not as cute as if this had been painted white. So I think I might do another one with that on it. And then we've got this little guy, which I like this. I like the craft paper look on the brown. I like him. I like that one for sure. And then we have the ones we just finished with the decoupage glue. So yeah. Oh, and I did this one. I did use one of the little bonsai trees. I had to, since I had the stamp out. I'm like, I'm going to do it anyway. Whether it's perfect or not. And it's definitely not perfectly stamped. But I wanted to do the bonsai tree anyway. So, thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin shirts, I got my sweatshirt on. It's all covered in paint now. I love it. It's very nice and warm. You can click the links below and get your shirts, or the second mouse gets the cheese, which is the shirt that came out this year. And that just means, you know, the early bird might get the worm, but that second mouse gets the cheese. So you can't always be at the garage sale first, but sometimes there's still treasures to be found. And if you'd like to send me a Thrift Flip challenge, you can send that to the P.O. box, or anything else you'd like to send me. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee, it's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. You can do that as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.